He's moving. He's going to go.
Hang on. He's going.
He's going. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Jeez! Jeez!
An extraordinary view of solar eclipse. Guess the number of birds. An upward waterfall. When beauty meets beast.
It's one of the craziest things I've ever experienced. I've heard it, just not like this.
Wegwezen? Echt niet! Kijk nou! Holy fuck! Nee joh! Nee, dat meen je niet! Holy fuck! Dat is niet normaal dit!
Wait to see who is riding the iceberg.
Wow, look at that. Race as well.
As we watched the spectacle unfold, to our amazement, there was a beaver riding one of the icebergs. It was just surfing right on the front of the wave, and apparently doing just fine as it went around the corner and out of view.
Surfing the flow. Yeah.
For fishermen, these events can be really dangerous. More than one person has unfortunately lost their lives due to one of these ice dam breaks in the Roaring Fork River. Be careful out there.
Oh my God, that's amazing. Boring. Yeah, it's so bright. You can feel the heat.